Wow. Honestly, if you have come this far, that means you really want to succeed. But because I love you guys, let me tell you the truth. Success is not gonna come overnight. Okay. Okay, you will make 10 or 20, even 100 or $200 very soon and from time to time. But this is not what I call success. Okay. To me, success is to build a strong and powerful business that can generate income over the next 10 or 20 years of your life. So in this short video, let me give you some tips for your personal development, because more than technical skills, you will need to improve your spiritual life to get to that level, okay? The first thing is never give up. You should never give up no matter what. For some people, the results will come after 1 or 2 months, and for others, it will take longer. But don't compare yourself to others, okay? It depends on the amount of commitment, time and money each of us are ready to put into the business, okay? But for sure, if you are serious about your business and you do exactly what I taught you in this course, results will come very fast, okay? The second thing is to set daily goals. It's true that you need to get the whole picture, but don't be scared, okay? You don't need to do everything in just one day or 1 week. To set something great, you need at least 2 or 3 months if you are alone, or maybe a lot less if you have a team or if you have a partner, okay? So think about taking 1 or 2 videos or 3 videos per day and try to apply it, to practice it, because practice makes perfect, okay? And yes, you need to take action, because there is no way to get it, there is no way to make it apart from doing it. It's as simple as that. And the third thing is to believe. Believe in God first, because with God everything is possible. And then believe in yourself, because all those people who have succeeded today, they are just like you and I. They were ignorant, they found out how to get to the level where they are now, and they took action. So if they made it, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.